Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given this equation above, which is the amount C in dollars that an electrician charges for a job that takes H hours. We have C is equal to 75H plus 125. We're told the electrician worked 2 hours longer on Mrs. Sanchez's job than on Mr. Roland's job. How much more did the electrician charge Ms. Sanchez than Mr. Roland? So if we're not told how many hours the electrician worked on either of these jobs, it doesn't actually matter how many hours that the electrician worked on Mrs. Sanchez's job or Mr. Roland's. The only thing is we have to pick any value of hours for Mrs. Sanchez and make that 2 more than Mr. Roland's. So let's say Mr. Roland, the electrician worked for 1 hour. The electrician worked for 3 hours on Mrs. Sanchez, therefore, because it's 2 longer than 1. So for Mr. Roland, C is equal to 75 times the number of hours, which is 1, plus 125. 75 times 1 is 75 plus 125. 75 plus 125 is 200. So in this hypothetical situation, Mr. Roland was charged $200. For Mrs. Sanchez, 2 hours longer, we have 75 times 3 plus 125. 75 times 3 is 225 plus 125. And 225 plus 125 is $350. So Mrs. Sanchez was $350. How much more did the electrician charge Mrs. Sanchez than Mr. Roland? That difference is going to be $350 minus 200, the difference between the two prices of their jobs, which is $150. So the electrician charged Ms. Sanchez $150 more, which means that C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.